The stock market in 2025, your path to wealth. Imagine waking up 1 year from now, your portfolio thriving, and you finally achieving the financial freedom you've dreamed of. Now imagine the opposite, watching opportunities slip through your fingers because you didn't take action. Which future will you choose? If you're a beginner, the stock market might feel like a labyrinth of charts, numbers, and jargon. But here's the truth. Mastering it could be your ticket to wealth and independence. So buckle up. In the next 20 minutes, I'll reveal the secrets to conquering the stock market as a beginner in 2025. Let's dive in. Let's face it, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for investing. Technology is evolving, markets are adapting, and opportunities are everywhere. But here's the catch. With great opportunity comes great risk. If you don't have a game plan, you're not just leaving money on the table, you're gambling with your future. And unless you're psychic, which let's be honest, you're not, guesswork won't cut it. We'll start with the foundation, understanding what the stock market is and why it exists. Picture it as a giant marketplace where businesses sell pieces of themselves, called shares, to raise money. In return, you get a slice of their success. Sounds simple, right? But simplicity doesn't mean easy. So how do you avoid the rookie mistakes that could cost you everything? Step 1. Overcome the fear of losing money. It's natural to feel scared. After all, who enjoys watching their hard-earned cash dip? But here's the mindset shift. The stock market isn't about overnight riches. It's about planting seeds today for a bountiful harvest tomorrow. Unless you're a farmer, in which case, you're already ahead in the planting game. Step 2. Understand the power of diversification. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket, only for the basket to break. Diversification is your safety net. Index funds like the S&P 500 spread your investment across hundreds of companies, balancing risk and reward. But what about those individual stocks that everyone's buzzing about? Are they worth the hype? Step 3. Research is your superpower. Choosing individual stocks can be exciting, but it requires diligence. Study a company's financials, its industry, and its growth potential. Remember, disciplined investing beats impulsive decisions every time. And that's just the beginning. Let's explore the strategies that separate amateurs from seasoned investors. The challenges and strategies. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Market volatility. It's the roller coaster ride that terrifies most beginners. But here's the truth. Volatility is a feature, not a bug. The key is to stay the course. Have you ever tried timing the perfect wave at the beach? Spoiler alert, it's nearly impossible. The same goes for timing the market. Instead, focus on dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This strategy minimizes risk and ensures you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. But what if you want to maximize your gains? Is there a way to play the market smartly without risking it all? Enter the 80-20 rule of investing. Dedicate 80% of your portfolio to stable long-term investments like index funds. Use the remaining 20% for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. It's the best of both worlds, stability and excitement. But even the best strategies mean nothing without one crucial ingredient: patience. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a profit multiplier. Compounding, earning returns on your returns, is the secret sauce of wealth building. Even modest investments can snowball into substantial wealth over time. So, how do you stay patient in a world that rewards instant gratification? The path forward. The answer lies in setting clear goals. Define your financial targets and create a roadmap. Whether it's buying a house, funding your child's education, or retiring early, your goals will keep you grounded. Think of it like running a marathon. The finish line might seem far, but every step brings you closer. Now let's talk about staying informed. The stock market is ever evolving. Follow credible sources, read financial news, and never stop learning. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. And here's where most beginners miss the mark. They overlook the importance of mindset. What does it take to think like a successful investor? It takes resilience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Remember, the stock market rewards those who think in decades, not days. So here's your action plan. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. The stock market is a journey, not a sprint. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, today. Think of your future self a year from now. They're counting on you to take that first step. Don't let them down. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more wealth-building tips, and share this video with someone who needs a nudge toward their financial goals. Together, we'll make 2025 the year of unstoppable growth. See you in the next video.